Okay guys, so once we are done with the like main phase, I would say, we have to just finish with the head. So I will start, we will finish this part, so basically this front face and the forehead, we'll finish it today. And the ear is quite complicated, and the back is quite easy because it's just a back. So I will let's start. I will start now. So let's go back to the edit mode. Let's go. Okay, here's some problem. As you can see here, we have some problems. It happens sometimes. You just have to select it manually and just play around with it. So play it like this. So let's see what we want to do. We want to make this part first. So let's start. So we can play around with here a bit, and we can actually start extruding things. So we can select from here to here, we can extrude it down, so it will be something like this, and we can extrude it one more time to match this bottom edge like this. So I'll extrude it one more time. Let's scale it. Let's make everything more even like this, and we can extrude it one more time, guys, so till it hits the bottom like this. Okay, and we will round out this part, as you can see here, because we will make a loop that is going from the forehead till the end of the chin. So now we can connect this thing. So let's select those edge and let's click F to connect it. We'll round everything here. So we will select this edge, this vertex basically, and we will extrude it so we can make a loop here. So let's extrude it here. Let's extrude it one more time, and one more till it meets the center, and we can select it. We can now connect it. So click F, and as you can see, it's now connected like this. Very nice. Very nice. So I think we should now make the edge that is going from forehead to here. So let's extrude from this vertex. Let's extrude till it fits nicely with this edge line. And now I want to basically extrude it up. So as you can see what I'm doing, so basically I'm trying to make this edge line. Let's make it match more nicely, and let's just make it go up till it's the center. So like this. This can be fixed a bit. This also can be fixed. And let's extrude it a few more times. And now we can join everything together like this. So now if I start connecting from here, so I select this edge, you should Blender knows the path which he should like fill the faces. Oh yeah, this is very satisfying. I sound like a weirdo a bit, but it really is satisfying. So we can make this more smooth a bit by just playing with the vertices to make them more even. Okay, and you should see it, like you'll see it basically because it's quite intentionally, like you just basically see it. It's not in the places where you want to make everything more even, more square. Okay, so now we have this nice loop that is going from the forehead. It's going down here, and it actually goes to the mouth, but it's not a problem. So now we want to finish the up like this part. So let's select from the center till this point, and we will extrude it. And I will scale it on the y-axis so it will be more straight, like this. And I will extrude it again. So I extrude 2 times because I want to make square pattern, and also thanks to that we can have a quad here in this part. So now we can connect this, so we have a quad. So now we can keep going down. So let's select this 3. Let's move them again so it will match this one, this part. And last time I think we can make them fit the neck, so it will go till the neck starts. So somewhere like this should be okay. Now let's connect this. So we can connect it 3 times. And now here we will change the direction of this, so we'll make this go up, so it will follow the loop. So we can select this 4 vertices and click F to join them, and we can keep going up. So here I will just follow this line, so I will keep extruding till it again fits the forehead. And in the places where you don't see your character that much, so I mean the forehead, etc., you can make the square more bigger because they will not be visible that much, so this is not important. In the places for like front face, it's very important to have a lot of not that much, like to have more detail than the back, for example. So you have more bigger squares on the back than in the front. So let's select this, let's connect everything. I'll click F 2 times. Okay, and now make everything more even, like this. So this is a lot playing around to make everything fit nicely. I think that is good for now. Yeah, this is good for now, guys. I think this is yeah, what I wanted to achieve with this today's lesson. I will make this more smooth, so I'll move this more up. And let's see what else I can do. Sometimes it's very hard to see errors, like things. But this should be it for the like forehead. We are not we didn't cover the full forehead because the full forehead will be covered when we start making the ears. So the loop that is here will go up till here, and it will fill our forehead. But for now, this is very fine. Let's go to the edit mode, and you can see that we have some kind of mask of our player, of our girl. So I think that will be it for this part, and in the next part we will start, guys, making the ears, and the ears will be the complicated part. So thank you guys, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.